Hi, I'm Shahriyar Mehdi, and today we are going to unpack or unleash a few words in English which are used in the substitution of or in the context of ability. How the word ability is used in English in several different contexts. Today we are going to learn this. Okay, um, there are three kinds of abilities. There are three kinds of ability. First, it is related to intrinsic abilities, like that ability that comes from your parents, that ability which you have inherited from your parents, which is innate ability or intrinsic ability or implanted ability, which implies that that person has a potential to develop himself, like potential ability, his ability to develop himself over the years through education, through socialization, through employment, or something which comes from the inheritance, the ability which comes from the inheritance, and that ability is linked to the inherent capacity for the development, which makes up the general aptitude of a person or a child. Because aptitude is somehow related with the potential ability, whereas the caliber is related to the intellectual capacity. Like that is personal ability, which is the second type. Okay. First, we have studied potential ability, which has a relationship with the inheritance or with the parents. Okay. Second ability, which has a relationship with your mind, which is your personal ability, because in personal development you develop your mind, which develops your caliber over the years. So caliber is related with which ability? Caliber is related with intellectual capacity or personal ability, whereas the potential ability is related to aptitude, which is potential ability. I hope I have made my point clear. There is a third ability, which is extraordinary abilities, and there is a high frequency word in English for that kind of extraordinary ability is prowess. Okay, so in a nutshell, we have discussed three different kinds of ability along its relationship with the synonyms as well, its relationship with the other concepts as well, like caliber, aptitude, which are interchangeably used in several different contexts. You have seen intellectual development is written as mental development, which is the function of the mind. So try to use the words interchangeably. Use words interchangeably according to the given context. So, what is the difference between ability and the capacity? It's a very general difference because ability is different and the capacity is different. Ability is something related to the general, some general abilities, while capacity is related to something specific, and that specific capability has a relationship with potentiality, and that potentiality develops your aptitude, which comes from your parents, which is your innate thing, which is your intrinsic or implanted thing that comes from from your background. Okay, Thank you very much.